Namaskar, Bridge Course, Standard 7th Maths, Day 41, Unit Geometrical Constructions. Today we are see a subunit drawing a perpendicular to a line at a point on the line. First we can see the perpendicular meaning. You can see this figure. There is a two lines, line L, line N, and they are meet at a point M. When we can measure an angle at a point M, every angle when we can measure it becomes 90 degree. That means line N and line N are perpendicular to each other. But we can write in this way, line L perpendicular line N by using perpendicular sign, and read line L perpendicular line N. Let's practice. Drawing a perpendicular to a line at a point on the line. We can solve this construction by first using a set square and second using a compass. First, using a set square, we can draw a line PQ. We can draw a line and give a name PQ. We can draw a line PQ and take a point R anywhere on the line. Now we can take a set square, place it on the line and drag towards the pointer R. When it comes near to R, we can draw a line RS, which is a perpendicular to the given line. This is perpendicular sign. Here line RS is perpendicular to PQ by using a set square. Second, using a compass, we can see how we can draw a perpendicular line on a point of the line. First, we can draw a line, give a name MN, and take a point K anywhere at a line. We can take a compass and take a sufficient measurement in 2 points and place this metal point on point K and draw a arc on the either side of a point K. Now give a name to this arc A, B. Place the compass on the point of, name the points of intersection A and B respectively. Place the compass point at A and take a convenient distance greater than half the length of AB. Draw an arc on one side of the line. Place a metal point on B and draw another arc. We get a point T. And now we can draw a line passing through point K and T. The line KT is perpendicular to line MN at point K. Solve. First, using set square, draw perpendicular to given line PQ at point D. We have given a line and also given a point D on the line. We can use a set square, place a set square on line PQ and drag it towards the point K, and we can draw a perpendicular line from point D to this line and give a name any point S. Line SD is a perpendicular to line PQ by using set square. Draw line N, take any point H on the line using a set square, draw perpendicular line to line N at point H. First, we can tell to draw a line N. we can draw a line and give a name N. Then we can take a point H on the line. We can use a set square to draw a perpendicular line. Put a set square on line N, drag towards the point H. We can stop here and draw a perpendicular line to given line N. Here is a right angle corner. In this way, we can draw a perpendicular line by using a set square. Third question, using a compass, draw a perpendicular line to given line EF at the point C. We can given a line EF and point C is on the line. We can using a compass for drawing a perpendicular line. Take a sufficient measurement in the compass, put the metal point on C and draw an arc either side of the point C. We get two arcs, give a name A and B to the intersection. Place the compass point at A and taking a convenient distance greater than half the length of AB. Draw an arc on one side of the line. Now put a metal point on B and draw a arc. We get a point T. Draw a line passing through point C, point T. We get a perpendicular line to the given line at point C. Question 4. Draw line T. Take any point W on the line. Using a compass, draw a perpendicular line to line T at point W. First, draw a line. Give a name T. Take a point W anywhere at a line. Now we can take a compass. Convenient distance can take between these 2 points. Place a metal point on W. Draw arc either side of the W. We get 2 points. Give a name to this intersection A, B. Place compass point on A and take a distance greater than half of the length between AB and draw arc one side of the line. Place the metal point on B and also repeat this construction. We get a point T. Draw a line passing through W and T. We get a perpendicular line to the line T at point W. Day 42. Draw a perpendicular to a line from a point outside the line. We can first use a set square. We can first draw a line. Line X, Y. We can now take a point anywhere outside the line and give a name P. Now we can take a set square and place one arm of right angle of a set square at the line XY and drag it towards a point P. When it touches point P, stop the set square and draw a line PS which is perpendicular to the line XY. using a compass and ruler. We can first draw a line and give the name to this line is MN. Line MN we can draw and take a point outside the line anywhere and name pointer K. Now we can take a compass and place a metal point of a compass on point K and take a convenient distance and draw an arc. Draw an arc which can cut the line MN at 2 points, point A, point B. We can take a convenient distance, place a metal point on K and draw two arc which can cut the line MN at point A and point B. Now place a metal point on point A. Take a distance more than half between the arc AB and draw a arc on the lower side of a line MN. Don't change the measurement between these 2 points of compass. Place a compass at point B and draw a arc which can intersect a previous arc. We can get a point T. Now we can draw a line KT. Draw a line KT carefully. Line KT is perpendicular to MN. We can verify with the help of protractor. Place the protractor and you can measure. It becomes 90 degree. That means line KT is perpendicular to line MN from outside a point. Solve. First, using a set square, draw a perpendicular to given line SR at point N outside the line. Here we can given a line. Name of the line is SR and given a point N outside the line. We can draw a perpendicular line by using set square. Place a set square, right angle arm on the line SR and drag it towards the N until it can touch to the point N. When it touch to the point N, we can draw a line which is perpendicular to the given line SR at a point outside the point N. Question 2. Draw line Q, take point U anywhere outside the line using a set square. Draw perpendicular to a line Q at point U. We can draw a line, give a name Q, take a point outside the line Q, name of point is U. We can use a set square, place a one arm of right angle of a set square at line Q and drag it towards point U. When it touches point U, we can draw a line. This line is perpendicular to the line Q. Question 3. Using a compass, draw perpendicular to given line AB from outside point K. We can given a line AB and outside a point K. We can use a compass. First, take a convenient distance between compass. Place a metal point on K and draw arc which can cut line AB at point 2 MN. Now we can take a convenient distance between MN more than half. Place a metal point on M and draw an arc at the lower side of a line AB. We can keep the distance constant, place a metal point on N, and also draw an arc which can intersect to previous arc. We get a point T, join point K and T. We can draw a line, pass from point K and T. We get line KT, which is perpendicular to line AB from outside point K. Question 4. Draw line B. Take point S outside a line. Draw perpendicular to a line B from point S by using compass. First we can draw a line. Give a line name B. Take a point S outside a line. Now we can use a compass. Take a convenient distance between 2 points of a compass, place a metal point on S and draw an arc which can cut at 2 points of a line B. Now give a name to this point PQ. Take a convenient distance between PQ more than half and place a metal point on P and draw arc at the lower side of a line B. Put the compass, keep the distance constant, place a metal point on arc point Q and draw a arc which intersect to previous arc. We get point T. Now we can join S and T. Draw a line passing through point S and T. We get line ST which is perpendicular to the line B at point O. Day 43. The perpendicular bisector of a line segment. The perpendicular bisector means, see this figure, line P, line Q pass through point M on a seg AB. Line P and line Q are the bisectors of seg AB. Bisect means divide into two equal parts, AM, MB. So, line P and line Q are the bisectors of seg AB. When we count an angle PMB, it becomes 90 degree. So, line P is perpendicular to seg AB. But line P is a bisector as well as perpendicular. Therefore, we say that line P is perpendicular bisector of AB. Drawing the perpendicular bisector of a segment using a compass. First, we can draw a seg. Give the name to this seg is AB. We can use a compass. Place the compass point at A and taking a distance more than half the length of seg AB and draw two arcs, one above the seg and another below the seg. Keep the distance constant. Place a metal point of compass on point P and draw a arc which can intersect to previous arc. We get point P, point Q. Draw a line passing through point P, point Q. We can get a perpendicular bisector of seg AB. We can verify it. See here, AM distance and BM distance is a same, equal. So, line PQ is a perpendicular bisector of seg AB. Solve. Draw perpendicular bisector of given seg CD with using compass and ruler. we can given a seg CD. We can take a compass, place a compass at point C, take a distance greater than half between seg CD and draw two arcs. One is above the seg CD and below the seg CD. Distance kept constant. Place a middle point of compass on D and draw a arc which can intersect a previous arc. We get 2 points, point P, point Q. Draw a line passing through point P and Q. We get perpendicular bisector PQ of seg CD. Question 2. Draw a line segment AB of length 6 semi. Bisect it using a compass and ruler. We can given a distance 6 centimeter. So we can first take a distance 6 centimeter. We can draw a seg AB of 6 centimeter length. Now we can take a compass, place a metal point on A and take a distance greater than half of a distance between seg AB. Draw two arcs above the seg and below the seg from point A. Kept a distance constant between these 2 points. Place a metal point of compass on point B. Draw arc which can intersect to previous arc. We get point P, point Q. Draw a line passing this point P and Q. We get a perpendicular bisector of seg AB. Now we can verify. AB 6 centimeter and midpoint is on 3 centimeter. So PQ is a perpendicular as well as bisector seg AB. Thank you.